Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing a Swiss Beauty camera filter. So if you ever wondered whether the Swiss Beauty camera filter is really the best AI photo editor application, as you can see that I'm currently on Google Play Store, and this particular filter has over 50 million downloads and a promise of one top beauty transformations. So this app claims to be a game changer, but does it really live up to the hype? Let's just try to find out in this video. So first of all, we need to understand what is this particular filter. So Swiss Beauty camera offers tons of features, from AI powered makeup tools to filter, sticker and text customization. It even claims to remove blemishes, wrinkles, and scars instantly. But how well does it work? So, after testing, here is what we found. The good about this particular app is that it is very easy to use, and the interface is also very simple. The filters and the stickers also work very well for quick edits. It has various types of templates for social media that you can use in your social media posts, making it very handy for a content creator. Now, these were some of the pros about this application. There are some cons as well. Like, there are too many ads in this application. There are some users that have reported constant pop-ups that make editing really frustrating. There are some features like AI makeup tools don't always work smoothly on all the devices. The ad makes misleading claims about features that don't actually exist, like a past and future face transformations. In a nutshell, should you actually download it and use it, or is it actually worth trying? Well, if you want a simple beauty filter application with some basic editing tools, it is decent. But if you are expecting a high quality AI photo editor with advanced features, you might want to look somewhere else. So that's it for this honest review of the Swiss Beauty camera filter. Have you tried it? Let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.